Well, welcome to another Saturday of John Sings Prine. This Saturday, we're going to try to break the speed of the sound of loneliness. Come home late, you come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. Come home straight, you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can love last forever? Get left so far behind. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Somebody mean and dreadful sorrow has crossed the evil line today. How can you talk about tomorrow? You ain't got a word to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.